Are you easily get along with people? Ask your neighbor. Or you are a type criticizing instead of praising. No matter what you do, so far you are not the one, you criticize. There's nothing good to you, so far you are not the one that did it. Or you are the type that criticizing instead of praising. Instead of giving a tap, good, it's wonderful. Since you are not the one that did it, no, this one is not good, it's not good. You are the type. Are you criticizing instead of praising? Using insensitive word. Refusing to admit wrong. Refusing to admit what? Wrong. No. We are talking of relationship under repair. Belittling others' opinion. This is how to do it. No, it's not like that. This is how we do it. Making jokes at others' expense. Making jokes at others' expense. Not listening to others. This kind of attitude will rank relationship and hinder the healing of past hurts. The book of Philemon, chapter 1, you take reading from verse 8 to 19. That will really help you. I pray the Lord will give you a hearing heart. Amen. Viewer all over the world, I pray the Lord give you a hearing heart. Amen. In Jesus Christ's name.